Yo, what's up everybody, it's your boy here Abdul from Tech112. On this video guys of today, I got an amazing device on my hand and I thought that I could just throw a little bit throwback to this video. Now this video of today is all about BlackBerry 9630. This is a device of back in the days. So I had this device saved on my wardrobe there, and I thought that I can share with you guys. So as you can see this device, so this is a BlackBerry 9630. It's not working, but I'll tell you guys what's so special with this device. Well, this device has a great kind of specification on it. It has a 3.2 megapixel camera and it has an autofocus, and it's very great in terms of taking pictures. Back in the day it has a work on taking pictures. Another kind of stuff on this device, it's not that much high-end specification. Don't expect here something like a quad-core processor. There's no quad-core processor in here. This is all RIM product. So now on this kind of BlackBerry, it gives you something like BBM features. Now back in the days we were rocking with BBM. BBM is a social media, not only social media, it was a messenger for BlackBerry which helped to share content from a BlackBerry to BlackBerry user, just like the way we see iMessage through iPhone. You share iMessage to iMessage person using iPhone to iPhone, but this kind of device had to share within BBM to a BBM because it's a BlackBerry messenger. Now not only that, it had a lot of features. It had a QWERTY keyboard, which this is the QWERTY keyboard you see here. It has a little bit of QWERTY keyboard which is very impressive, and another kind of stuff, it has a button here. The volume rocker is very amazing. I love the bezels, they're very tasty. And another kind of stuff, you had to be having a button here whereby you can just press it and you can just open the camera on the go, something which it was very rocking, which is very amazing because you're supposed to understand something. BlackBerry, before they shifted from trackball, they had to go to track sensor, the sensor which had a little bit of sensor here. You can just move like a BlackBerry Kev 1 had that feature, Kev 2 had the same feature, Kev 3, all the Kev series and Bold, which is Bold 99,000 I think so, which had a sensor on it, and more BlackBerry just came with sensor. They ended this kind of technology with Bold tracking because Bold tracking wasn't that much great, because whenever you have oil on your hand and you use the device starts getting a little bit with the problem with the glitches with the Bold. So this is something which wasn't that much satisfying to the BlackBerry users. But another kind of stuff upon BlackBerry, it was very amazing to me. I can say it was upon keeping it locked. You don't need to just press like another kind of functionality on the keyboard and all that, like you just, but back in the days you just boom and you're boom on the go. It's something which is very great. And another kind of stuff is upon reducing the mic. You want to mute the device, just press this kind of indicator here. As you can see, there's a lock here and there's a indicator here. This indicator even plays music, and the more you hold the volume rocker gives you another next move of music, which is very amazing. I still remember that. And another kind of stuff, you get this another kind of button here which helps you to get the voice control. Now BlackBerry had a voice control which wasn't that much sensitive, not like Siri, not like Google, not like the way the Google Assistant works, not that like Amazon Echo. This is kind of, it was just like you give a voice command, then it just takes the voice command ASAP. Now it wasn't that much fancy, but actually this is a device whereby it's sold because of the BBM, because back in the days if you want to use BBM you need to have two devices. But this is a game changer. To me, it's a game changer. I can say it's a very great game changer to the industry of smartphones. Till right now we are having a BBM which is a cross-platform. I mean, BBM right now works on iPhone, works on Android, works on even BlackBerry same device. So yeah, but back in the days we didn't have that kind of functionality whereby we can just share everything through BlackBerry to Android or BlackBerry to Nokia or BlackBerry to iPhone. It was hard, but now very easy. Now that's what's up upon this all kind of device which is BlackBerry 9630. Let me know in the comments down below what's your thoughts, and do you want me to review another next device which is a throwback in the days? Let me know in the comments down below what's your thoughts. So thank you guys for watching. If you find this video very interesting, don't hesitate to hit that like And if you find this video not that much interesting, I would like you guys to give me a comment down below what's your thoughts. And another kind of stuff, I have something bigger coming on the channel. I won't tell you what it is till it arrives here. So it takes like almost 3 weeks to 4 weeks since it will be arriving, and I'll be sharing with you guys what's new on our channel. So thank you guys for watching, and I hope I'll catch you guys on the next one. Peace.